How do you keep yourself accountable when you're your own boss and you work from your home and you have your own business? There's no boss telling me what to do and making sure that I do the things. First of all, you have to have a very compelling goal, something that you really want, not just something that you need. And keep that in mind all the time. That's really going to drive you, and that's going to make work fun because you have this goal that you're working towards. But I also have an accountability chart on my computer where I put in all the tasks that I have to do, especially the tasks that I don't really want to do, but that are important to drive my business forward. Put that in, and then I check off every day when I have done it. And also I write down all my wins. Every day, keep a chart of your wins, because we get a tendency to focus on the negative things, and it's very important to register and focus on the good things, because that's also going to drive you forward and make work much more fun. Hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and have a great day. Bye.